On your mark.
Are you gonna? Am I going and you're gonna start it?
Yep.
We're both timing you.
And
Whatever that tire crosses.
all right. God dang. Keep going, Billy. I'll tell you when you cross. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. And you got to pick it up from underneath the arms. Come on, Billy. Keep going, man. Halfway there. Keep going. Keep going. One more whole block. Drop.
Yeah, pull that victim down.
Flip them.
Flip the tire all the way to the ground.
You're at 45 seconds, Billy. Not even breaking a sweat.
He wasn't too. You were down before.
He got this. No pain. You're at 1:15. Done.